right now it's not. Now, if one side was hot, then I check. Then I say we got a bad fuse. But this is not even hot. So now what we need to do is pull up the wiring diagram to see where this gets its power from. Yeah, buddy. All right, so we're gonna go look that up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we pulled up the wiring diagram. Fuse 25 and a few others up here is powered by this box over here. I mean, we did check the fuses, but so the fuses were good. Wait a minute, huh?
Rust.
Where? Let me see. Oh, down here. What are those anyway? Oh, wait a minute. Those rusted out bolts or nuts down there is connected to wires up under